Hi, a happy hoarder here, and welcome to Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, presenting the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown Decor Ideas for 2021. I want to thank our lovely host, Lady Allie of Glam Elegant Living, and her wonderful co-host. Please check out the links to their channels and their videos in the playlist in the description below.
Hi, happy hoarder here, and let's see, it's an 8 and 9 ladies dancing day, right? Yay! Yeah, because once I get into the 10s, 11s, and 12s, I forget which guys do what. But isn't it funny that the last three are guys? I always thought that was weird. Oh, well, anyway. I guess anybody can be a piper, right? A drummer, as far as that goes. What am I talking about? The only ones that were only really guys are lords. Yeah. I'm going to be all sexy too. Anyway, sorry. I am unboxing and unbagging more stuff than some people even have for decorations. I know, but $3.75 a bag, you just kind of get a lot. It just happens. You get sort of addicted. Because it's fun. It's really fun. Now, what I found, I love this particular ornament. And I thought maybe it was somebody had made it, but I don't think it's homemade now that I look at it. It looks more, store-bought, but it's still a really pretty style. It's really elegant and gorgeous, and I love that ornament. But this is like one of those things you're like, I only have one of them, I think, in here. I only noticed one. What would I do with this? Because it doesn't match anything I own. Maybe a DIY project of some sort. But I got this sweet little pear, and so I wish I could figure this out. So it plugs into a light. And I think it would be really sweet is if I could work this into a Santa, but have light. I guess I would have to run some Christmas lights behind them so that I could light this one up in their hand. I think because it's kind of like a lantern. It's beautiful. But anyway, it's just it's the gold-plated brass. It's very nice piece. I guess this is my really nice stuff. Where's my nice stuff? Oh, that's glitter. I'll put it down here. I know, it's organized better. I did get some, this is Mardi Gras, come on. Hey, wait a second, is that Mardi Gras-ish? Sorta, kind of Mardi Gras. Anyway, oh, you're not coming out. You're stuck. I've had a ball like this before, actually. Isn't that weird? I think I still do, now think about it. I have a bunch of poinsettia decor. Yeah, I think this is I think I have this. But this is just a beautiful ball. Look at this. It's hand painted. Well, is it hand painted? I think they're hand painted. That's what it says. Let me get some light on it. No, not gonna light up like the other stuff. This is a Christmas decoration, not a toy. Okay, we figured that one out. This is by Alex Dillard. Are these from Dillard's? The magic of the holidays upon us. We want to say, oh, thank you for being valid, Dillard's customer. Okay, so that's what that was. They're really pretty. I don't know how great they look on the tree. I mean, they're kind of like a light absorber. But they're kind of pretty. You know what? I think this has got a 2-part box. I'll have to deal with this later. Fix it in there better. But yeah, that is a nice ornament. I like that. And then here's a vintage. Oh, 1970. No, he's not. Oh, I think he has something in his hand. He's waving. I don't know. 1977. I'm gonna go with the Hallmark, aren't you? It's like Hallmark ornament. Isn't that sweet? He's so cute. Now I love the old Hallmark ornaments. Well, I'm gonna stick it with the Snowman right now, just for a minute. Don't feel bad. Speaking of old Hallmark, here's another Keepsake ornament. Looks to be not as old. Kitty Mischief. Oh, it is an older one. Oh, it's got a note in it. Oh, it says to Pat from Temple. Oh, nice. Temple. I don't know what year it is though. Hang on, let me see on the bottom. 1985. It's real yarn. And it has no legs. Oh my gosh. His legs are gone. Could be the problem. What in the world are your legs, dude? Oh, that is so sad. He lost his legs. You know what, though? You could put him like in a basket of yarn and make it work. And you know what? That would be really cute with like Barbie and like a display or something. I don't want to throw it out. I feel bad for little broken things. like this because people would throw them away, and I'm going to figure out something else to do with it. Yeah, oh, okay. I thought this was going to be, because when I picked it up, I saw those 3 colors, but it's different colors. It's really sweet, but this is going to be a problem. I only have one. We get these singles. And you're like, what do I do with this? Just put them in a jar. And a nice big green glittery thing that is about to make another mess. The glitter. I like these bells. And I have a couple that are in my Santa stuff. I do like to use them with Santas. They look very old world, and I will show you in about an hour when I get this stuff untangled. Not this one. This is but that is a nativity. Can you see? It's the plastic coated, coated styrofoam. But I'm putting it over here with my nativity stuff and lots more bells. No, I like this bell right here. If I can get it undone. It's so tangled. Oh, all right, so Robin doesn't watch enough of my videos. Girl, you better be watching. Let me know. Oh, yeah, I watched this one. But one of the challenges my friend was doing is the unusual candy cane or something. Well, that's pretty unusual, don't you think? It's made of red and white bells. That's kind of unusual. I think that's pretty cute. Looks a little bit homemade-y. Yeah, that'd be a great idea. This was really little. I think a big one would be kind of cool looking. But that's kind of sweet. I like the red and white too. Anyway, these bells. I'm going to show the bell. Yeah, this one is nothing really on it, like just designs, nothing else. But it's a really dark green. So I'm thinking, how do I have a really neutral colored Santa. It was like tan, so I call that neutral. He needs some cool looking stuff like that to go with him. This is one of those things that just blows you away on the tree, and it lights up. Look at the light. What? Look at that. Oh, look at that light behind it. See, acrylic, man. If you got little kids, make an acrylic tree. They're crazy good because the kids will love them, and they can't break them, and they're just amazing. So I have a bunch of those, like 1970s, 80s, whatever that was, when everybody was doing acrylic ornaments, and I love them. I think they're amazing. So yeah, this is a beautiful angel and all her acrylic glory. All right, girl, where are my angels? Oh, they're there. I can't put with them because there's no room. So much stuff. Yay. Another little, it's just 2008. It's just another keepsake ornament. Let's see what's missing on this one. I don't know. No, it looks good. Oh, it's really cute. Do you know that would actually look pretty cute with the Santa too? I would put this in my Santa stuff because that's like a Santa would carry. Except it's a really big mitten. Yeah. Well, 2008. I could always cover that if I wanted to. Maybe. Put some fur on it. That would be nice. I don't know, because you really can't sell these on eBay. They do not sell at all. So, oh, wait, my bag. So, what's left in the bag? Oh, wait, there's something else wrapped up down to the bottom. Nope. This crazy stuff, which would be amazing around the door. So if I go with all this red glitter and glitz and all this stuff, I think these look really good. Oh, even on a table. Oh, it's like Halloween. Oh, some of this is missing. Some of this is like, see how they fall apart? Like, well, there you have it. Maybe I can just replace that. Maybe I can just fix it. I don't know. So that's pretty cool. Look how beautiful. Hey, with the lights off, it's beautiful. Because look at it's coming apart. So I don't know. Is this like a Dollar Tree or Walmart or something? I don't know where these come from. But I do like them. I kind of dig in the black. Because I have like black placemats and all. But I will say this. It smells a little bit like plastic. Not too bad though. I mean, just more smells in your house. What can you do? Okay, so that's going to be fun to untangle. It's going to take me about a week, and once that happens, yeah. And then these break off, so you got to be really careful when you untangle it. So that'll be fun. Yay, but there's more. There's always more. Oh, there's more, because this is like, what? Yeah. A couple more days of this, right? That was Arts and Crafts, and oh, no, these are so cute. More little foam guys with some glitters. Okay, these are really cute. We have crafts. A little bucket. Now, I think the bucket, food safe, $1.99. Where did that come from? I don't know. It's called Brother Sister, but that is so cute with a tree. But I think there's a lid. There's a lid, but I don't know if it goes with it because it's a different. It's like tiger print. I mean, I'm sorry, cheetah. Maybe. Sure. Why not? I guess it is. But even just the bucket with a tree in it would be really sweet, like a little artificial tree. That'd be fun. And a bow. Got a bow. My new saying is, by the way, you know, if you see something that's not quite right, you go, well, it would look good with a little pretty little bow on it. You know, maybe a nice little bow would make it look better. That kind of stuff. I like that one. Nice little bow. It needs a nice, you know what it needs? A nice little bow. That's what it needs. I think this broke. This is broken, but I think it was some kind of a stand for holding up a card. I'm like, I can think of something else. Repurpose. Hey, where's that ball? Oh my gosh, look, there it is. Boing. I just like poke that down on it and make a thing. It's a thing. I made a thing. Oh my goodness, crafts. Throw you in the crafts. But there was another one that's not broken. And this is what it's supposed to look like. This Snuff like, yeah, oh, you know what? It's got like the pretty vintagey looking stuff on it. Okay, that's weird. It looks different on both sides. So there's one side. It's got that, and on this side is this. Yeah, that would look pretty with that paint, maybe. Maybe. Oh, I found some good use for that. Here with the other sparkly things. Now this box, okay, I had opened something earlier in another series, like, you know, the Vlogtober ones, and all these vintage and vintage style things. It also had, I should open this one that night too, more of these. So this is all smooshed. See how smooshed it is? I hit it with a hairdryer and it like bloomed right back out. I was amazed. Now don't like cook it, you know what I'm saying? You'll know when you're done. But I was amazed that thing straightened out so well. So that was fun. So that's, yeah, so I don't know if these are new or if they're made to look old or if they're really old. Probably they're made to look old. But check him out, y'all. That is, can you see this guy? I know, I'm so dark. I'm so sorry. But he's just the cutest little snowman in his hat. Are you in your hat, Goofy? Your booty's in the hat. Yes, sit down. So that's, he just sits there and he's so cute. Okay, you know what? If you're making a little snowman, oh, by the way, Annie, if you're watching this, that little snowman gourd I gave you, you can make one. But look, I'm doing this, girl. I am putting look at the neck around him. It's a flower, poinsettia. I'm doing one. That's it, I'm making one of these. Because that's just too cute. And yeah, I love that flower around his neck. This is just a plate. I'll figure out something. I think it'd be fun to try to use this stuff. And then, oh no, these are like, oh no, I thought they were old. But they're not old. Oh, but they're pretty colors. They're just really different. I cannot tell if they're plastic or glass. But they feel plastic. Yeah, I see the same. Yeah, these things. Okay, so these are kind of back to being Mardi Gras colors, except for the blue. The blue's not. I don't want to lose a hook. Oh no, I've already done that and stepped on it. You know I did. I did. So I'm loving the blues for something else. And but as far as the other colors, I think I'm going to keep them like, and throw them in the Mardi Gras stuff. Because I have Mardi Gras stuff. I do. That's the January decorations. Yeah. So I'm just going to hang on to these for something else. So the blues, I could probably find another use for on another Santa. Just needs a different color. And then there's this one little cute yo-yo. Okay, yo-yoing is so hard anyway if you're not very good at it. This is for the dollar. Like a dollar yo-yo. It's a pretty cute little thing. Y'all, I think it's made out of wood, which makes it even cuter. That makes it kind of cute. Let me stick that in a Santa bag or something. Okay, so that was fun. And I had one more thing. Really, I do. It's one more. And it's just this. And what this is very cheap. Now, it's some napkins, but they're really bright and cute. And some are kind of nice. These aren't bad. These aren't bad ones. But it does have some seriously cheap napkin rings. They're tiny. And red and green. And so I think it's like a setting for 8. It's got a runner and things. And I had opened it because I got something else out of it, you know. But it's extremely inexpensive. However, I do kind of like these napkins. I'm going to try to find a use for those. They're heavier. These are super, super thin. Yeah. They're like, it does have these really sweet little runners. They're not horrible, but they're so thin. I don't think you can iron them either. So I think these were just like Dollar Tree maybe or something. Let me see. Greenbrier. Yeah. So these are from Dollar Tree, but I don't think those napkins, they're a little bit nicer. So this is kind of sweet. If I want to do like a little Dollar Tree decor tablescape, I've got, nailed it right there, right there. Got everything I need. So that was fun, but hey, there's more. So please watch tomorrow. And that will be, what day are we on? 10. Yeah, I got more to come. So anyway, thanks for watching. And please check out those other ladies in the link below on the playlist. And check out their videos because they're probably a lot better put together than mine was. Anyway.